you come from a family of legends. It's like the first family of Hindi cinema, the Kapoors. Do you sometimes feel that also the legacy and the name sometimes becomes a little overbearing because one can't separate you from the other like it would be in the case of another person?
The reasons for me wanting to become an actor were very individualistic. I wanted to entertain people. I want to make people smile. I got a high from performing on stage. I did a lot of plays when I was in school. I went to New York Film Academy to study there. I came back. I started assisting because I was really fond of films and I really wanted to act, and that was my calling. Of course, it's a coincidence, I guess, that my family has been contributing to Indian cinema for the last 75 years. I'm very proud of everything that they've achieved, from each and every one of them. But at the same time, I take inspiration from that and I want to make a name for myself. I
Absolutely.
can't be known as Raj Kapoor's grandson. I can't be known as someone's nephew or someone's cousin.
For all film related interviews, reviews, and content, please like and subscribe to Pooja Talwar. You can also follow me on Twitter and on Instagram.
Well, hello team Charlie. एक बात बताओ, टोटो कहाँ है? स्टार ऑफ द शो कहाँ है आपका?
वो खाना खा रहा है, वो हमेशा खाना खाता है, मेरे जैसा है वो। उसको छोड़ो, वो खाना खाएगा।
हम आपको तोतो से मिलाएंगे 9 अप्रैल को।
अरे यार क्या ये is like उसको giving those superstar vibes and all that I won't come on and all.
Getting his dates is worse than getting our dates.
Yeah.
Wow.
Definitely. He is the main guy.
Let's ask the director साहब, वैसे सबसे ज्यादा सारी tantrums किसने दिए थे, टोटो ने या इन तीनों ने?
Actually, ये सब एक तरफ और टोटो एक तरफ.
His answers are gold.
टोटो ने बहुत शैतानी की और इन लोगों ने भी कम नहीं की, लेकिन eventually फिल्म बन गई है, खत्म हो गई है, एक पैंडेमिक देख चुकी है ये फिल्म, तो we're keeping our fingers crossed.
I mean, that's all exactly because when I first met you was for your film Kaidi Band, and it's been 4 years.
Yeah.
And as you said, this film has already seen a pandemic. I mean, how does it feel like 4 years? And I'm sure as actors, all of you, it's to Shloka also because it's her big debut.
Thank you.
And and missing out on that theatrical experience. I mean, are you feeling a little shortchanged, all of you, or are you just happy finally we've got this movie out?
Not really. In fact, you see, this film in no other medium could have reached so many people so fast. At one shot, it's going to be across 240 countries amongst so many people all over the country here. So I don't think एक shot में, क्योंकि पहले फिल्म थिएटर में आती है, फिर OTT पे आती है, फिर टीवी पे आती है, तो एक लंबा प्रोसेस होता है. तो इधर I think this is the fastest it will reach in to the people. So I think we are quite happy.
Very happy also. I feel like we have a responsibility as actors and filmmakers and producers to also showcase our film in the safest possible way, especially given the times, And like Sir rightly said, the film's reach and Amazon's reach is going to be huge. It's going to be we're going to be showcasing our film across 240 countries, which is great for us because eventually we as actors, directors, producers, we want our movie to reach the maximum amount of people.
True.
At a time like this, theaters are shut, people are not going, kids are not stepping out of their houses. So we would have not had this reach otherwise. And it's the need of the hour. And also, it's a family film. You can watch it with your family. We've got a U certificate. It's a clean comedy. You can watch it with your family. You can watch it with your kids. They can watch it alone also if they want to. And I feel like in any case, kids are not stepping out of the house. Schools are shut. Playgrounds, like I was earlier saying, are all shut. So they can't really go out. So it's a great thing. It's a great family viewing experience, especially through what Amazon's giving us. So I'm very, very happy at the fact that our movie's coming on Amazon.
But Adi, tell me, I mean, before I go on to the ladies here, you're not new to the movie business. You're well aware of the business. Was it like unnerving it's at 2019, man, now it's taken that long for you? I mean, this kind of break between the first two films. Was it ever unnerving for you?
No, actually, it was never unnerving because the first film, like I was saying, came out in 2017, Kaidi Band with Yash Raj.
I
signed this in 2018. We started shooting in 2019, and then the pandemic happened to the whole world. So it's not like it's in anyone's hands. It is a little unfortunate that the gap between my first two films have been so long. But again, at the end of the day, it's safety first. You think about your health. You know, films and everything else can come later. You know, you have to take care of your loved ones and your family and yourself
Yeah.
first, and then think about everything else.
Besides, he's coming back with a bang.
Huh?
What is coming back with a bang?
I said, besides, he's coming back with a bang.
Well, hopefully,
Absolutely.
fingers crossed. And I feel like everyone has worked so hard on this movie. We really made this movie with all our heart, all our efforts, and it's a very special film. It is, like, if I can rightly say, it's a one of a kind film. You'll never get to see a film like this ever before, and it's coming at the right time when everyone's going through so much stress and worry. And it's sort of like a
True,
stress
true.
buster film that can, you know, sort of relieve people of their everyday worries. And I feel like that's the aim with our film, you know, to sort of make people laugh, make people feel happy. So if you can do that, then there's nothing like it. And that's what would make,
Absolutely.
you know, it would be worth the wait for sure.
And Shloka, it's the debut. So, I mean, what was your reason to say, like, yes, I'm on board for this one?
First
And
of all,
Aadar better tha ya
congratulations.
Aadar
Congratulations
better tha
to
ya
you.
Toto?
Sorry, Aadar kya?
अच्छा आदर बेटर था या टोटो बेटर था ये भी बता देना as a
I
co-star.
have, okay, first I would like to congratulate you, 25 years in the entertainment business. Congratulations
Thank you.
to you as well.
Thank
Congratulations.
Yes,
Thank you.
I mean, debut, I was dying to work in a film. It's not about me choosing this movie. The fact that I got chosen to be in this movie is a big honor in itself. I'd been waiting for a very, very long time to get casted and work as an actress, and this came through, luckily, after 3 rounds of auditioning and all of that. So I'm very, very blessed and lucky. And even more so that during the pandemic, we managed to shoot, and our film is releasing still, you know, and we're getting to promote it, we're getting to talk to everybody, we're getting the word out there. That means everything and more. So I'm so blessed and so happy to have worked with my fabulous star cast, Aadar, Elnaz, Jackie sir, Rajpal sir, Girish sir, and the star of the show, Pankaj sir, who we all know is a rock star where comedy is concerned. I mean, there's no doubt about that. So to have such a team and have Excel produce your first film means everything and more.
अब ये नहीं बताया टोटो या आदर.
देखो, सिंपल सी बात है, दोनों थे मेरे पास तो क्यों चूज करूं? I love both. प्यार दोनों से ही मिला तो I'm very happy. Not choosing between both
Well
the stars of the
answered,
show.
well answered.
I know, yeah. I mean, she'll do well in the industry, coming up with these like diplomatic answers. Now, Elnaz, आप बताओ, you are the Mona darling. बहुत time के बाद मैंने Mona darling. I mean, they didn't say darling in the whatever I've seen. Mona सुना मुझे अजीत याद आ गए. But what was it like for you?
It was great to be Jackie sir's Mona darling for sure. A dream come true. Yeah, being Mona somehow has been great in many ways for Hello Charlie. Just the entire role, playing the role, being in this film, everything has just been so great. You know, you sign up, you do a film, and then you're just like, okay, you never know where it's going to take you. And Hello Charlie has been just so different, and it's taken us from happy feels to crying feels to, oh my God, are we going to make this or not? You know, because in the pandemic, we finished shooting it. So it was just, it was a roller coaster ride as much as the film is going to be for everyone. So yeah, I had a great time playing Mona for sure. Especially the character was just a really cool character to play. You know, you just, not only looking good, but you're also having brains that is being used in a film for a woman, which I try to, and I want to highlight every time, because I really want people to make more scripts where women do a lot and not just look pretty. So excuse me if you hear me saying this every time more and more, but yes, that's what I felt about my character with Mona as well. So yes, happy.
70s से अगर मोना अब ये मोना को देखेगी नहीं, बोलेगी ये इसी की मैं बात कर रही थी, मुझे ऐसा बनना है, right?
Yes.
And comedy, I mean, for all of you, what was it like? I mean, any moments you can remember? What was most challenging for the three of you, for the three actors?
See, the thing is, the film is a comedy film. It's a situational comedy. So they are not doing comedy as such. They are playing their parts, and they're playing their parts very seriously. So whoever is doing what, like Aadar is playing a nitwit, is a bit of a goofy kind of character. The other girl, Shloka, is playing a gypsy, a circus performer who's stuck in a trap. She's under debt and she wants to get out of it. Mona is trying to help this guy get out. She's the master manipulator. She plans the whole thing. She sets it up for him. So each one of them has a very distinctive role and to play in the main plot of the film.
True.
But they're not doing
So that-
comedy as such. They're not making you laugh. It's what's happening to them.
It's a situation of, see, I saw the trailer and I was smiling throughout.
Yeah.
I'm glad.
And this, nowadays you need something that makes you smile instead of कि अब मेरे को सोच के क्या पूछूं types, it's just like that. But okay, asking other Shloka and Anna, did you relate to your characters? Did you take away anything, or could you resonate with your characters? Like, is there anything like Chirag?
So for me, like Sir rightly said, that the film is it's a comedy of errors, and because Charlie's character is such that he's a simpleton, he comes from a small town, he's very innocent, बहुत ही मासूम है वो, और वो काफी clumsy भी है, and like Sir rightly said, he's slightly of a nitwit, so he goes to do the right thing, but some problem or the other always follows, So it was fun to play that kind of a character who's so simple, so bhola, but he's very happy and loving. He's always willing to help people. So that was the nature of his that I could really relate to, and I really wanted to play that. But yeah, like you said, comedy is very hard to do, as a genre. You see so many of these people doing it for so long, such fine actors like Rajpal sir, Jackie sir, or you see such amazing stand-up comedians like Kapil Sharma, Raju, Shivastav, and Pal, and all these guys who've been doing it for a living, and it's very hard to do. So when you actually stand in front of a camera and you have to do it, you have to say your dialogues, you have to be the character, and also make people laugh, it is quite a challenge. But luckily, I think we're all very fortunate that we had Pankaj sir guiding us throughout. He's written the script, and also like he was saying, the kind of situations that arise in the film and what all happens to us in the film is very, very fun. We are actually honestly playing our parts, and the very serious parts. Like I'm a boy who's taken this gorilla to zoo, and it's how like this sweet boy sort of lands up in different situations or whatever. And then Elnaz has her respective part. Shloka has it also. So we were just doing our jobs honestly. We had our workshops, we had our readings, we did our character research, and then we came to set, and mostly I think Sir just said to have fun with it. Just go and enjoy yourself, because that should be seen at the end of it. Don't think too much, be in the moment. It's all about acting and reacting, give and take. So as long as you're present, you're aware of what you're doing and you're in the moment, you'll always do it right. So I think that's one thing I have always followed Sir's direction.
And the ladies, what about you?
What about us? What was it?
About your characters, did Mona resonate with you? And then Shloka is the gypsy.
Yeah.
Did that?
Yeah, of course. I mean, I've always wanted to, I always strive to be a girl who just doesn't look pretty, but also has ideas and can, give something to her surroundings and to the people around her. And that's what exactly Mona is doing, right? I mean, Makwana is in this situation where he's like, okay, he was already almost taken by the police and it was almost over, right? And she then had the idea to take him, but what happens after, you never know. But then it's a great thing, I really love playing Mona, and it wasn't really that hard either, because it's not a crazy character as such. You can resonate, you can understand what she wants, what she's going through, and she obviously wants her boyfriend to get out and not be held at a prison. So it was quite easy, it was fun. It was fun to play her.
So my character is a village girl, and she's the star dancer of the circus, and so that's one point of commonality, is that I love to dance. So that I got an opportunity to do that in my first film, which was also great. And she's feisty, she's all heart, she's a go-getter, she's bold, she says it as it is, and that's very, very similar to how I am in real life. So I'm lucky that the first character I got to play has a major similarity between me and the character. Did I say that right? Yeah. So we're little similar, but obviously it's a rural setting. So it's a different way of dressing. I mean, expressing things, talking, but a little bit similar, but different. Definitely
True.
not the same, but different. But she's very endearing, and I'm glad I got to play her.
Absolutely. Agar ek baat batao, I know I remember asking you this then also, then your debut happened. It's
Ji.
also, you come from a family of legends. It's like the first family of Hindi cinema, the Kapoors. Do you sometimes feel that also the legacy and the name sometimes becomes a little overbearing because, one can't separate you from the other, like it would be in the case of another person making their debut?
Ma'am, I've always spoken about this, and I only started hearing things of expectation or pressure from like journalists or people who are interviewing me.
Absolutely, yeah.
Family as a film family, we are all very normal at home. We do normal things. Whenever we get together, we actually don't really talk about films. We talk about everything else that's going on in the world. I swear, like actually, it's contrary to what people probably believe.
Yeah.
Sometimes you share anecdotes about what happens in a day and stuff like that, but
Yeah.
the reasons for me wanting to become an actor were very individualistic. I wanted to entertain people. I want to make people smile. I got a high from performing on stage. I did a lot of plays when I was in school. I went to New York Film Academy to study there. I came back. I started assisting because I was really fond of films and I really wanted to act. And that was my calling. Of course, it's a coincidence, I guess, that my family has been contributing to Indian cinema for the last 75 years. I'm very proud of everything that they've achieved. From each and every one of them. But at the same time, I take inspiration from that and I want to make a name for myself. I can't be known as Raj Kapoor's grandson. I can't be known as someone's nephew or someone's cousin. I also have a career path for myself and a mission. And I want to make a name for myself, however big or small. At least the fact that I'm in this industry, I exist. I'm getting to work with amazing production houses like Yash Raj and Excel and lovely people. It's amazing. I couldn't have asked for so much early on in my life. And I love my job. I love acting. I love being on the sets. And I think my family is very proud of that. They've never put any sort of pressure or expected something of me. They've only expected hard work and you to love what you do. And at the end of the day, your work has to give you happiness. Because that is something that will always take you forward, and just be passionate, which I am. So I think there's only pride when it comes to my family. There's no pressure at all. And I don't think of any pressure.
No, that's the way it should be. And I saw everybody cheering the three of you and Pankaj sir's film also. And Shloka, you come from a family of musical legends. And I like the fact that Elnaz, who's come from abroad and made is just set out on a career path that it's a very brave move. So both of you, I mean, just the place you want to be.
Just the place I want to be. Yes, hell yeah. This is the place I wanted to be as a child, man. I never in my wildest dreams did I imagine that it'll one day actually happen, and it is happening. So yes, this is the place I want to be. And there are other places I want to be, and I've written them down and I've kept it aside, and I know it's going to happen. So yes, I'm very content. I'm very happy with what's happening.
आपके रील से नहीं पता चलेगा कुछ हमें. I keep seeing her doing the Nagin dance and everything.
But yes,
Instagram पे ज़्यादा रहती है.
There, look at your director. Look at your director.
He's too good.
1 million followers on Instagram today.
Instagram.
Imagine you 25 years in the business and 1 million followers. So
25 years in the business, 2500 followers हैं यहाँ पर देखो.
I think we should make some reels.
I know. Let's take
it. We'll make reels together.
Yeah.
We should. I'm down for it. Please, whenever.
Shloka, like I asked her, she also had once in an interview said that her family grew up watching Mr. Raj Kapoor and Mr. Bachchan's movies, and and also you became an actor, but when you are there, वो हमेशा सबका inspiration बचपन में रहता है. Acting मैं भी करूँ, or it's either I play cricket or I also want to be in the movie. Even I, as a child, I can't act to save my life. That's a different story. But for you, was it like, instead of singing, was it? I'm sure you sing very well also. But was this what you wanted to pursue? You don't.
अभी गाना गाइए हमारे लिए.
नहीं please. अभी आपके जो screen है, laptop screen, खिड़की, glass सब टूट जाएंगे. बहुत नुकसान होगा. Please सस्ते में आप निपटा लो. No. I have a good voice according to my family, but I didn't think it was as good as them. I mean, they don't even their sur unka hilta hai nahi, and my sur is I don't know where. But I've just started training actually recently to be a singer. I'm not to be a singer, but just to sing, and be a part of the legacy. I think it's there, and it's not something that's been imposed on me, because the normal thought process would be, oh, you belong to a family of singers, so you have to sing. So I wanted to break the stereotype and do something that I was passionate about, which was acting and dancing. So, and I've wanted to be an actress for the past 7 years. Actually, I wanted to be an actress since I was 5. But the struggle to get a role, to get a film, it took a long time. It doesn't matter where you come from or whatever. Now people
That I
want
agree.
to see your talent, and no one's going to invest in you if you're not worth it. So it's not as easy as it looks. Yeah, people can be connected here and there, but that doesn't mean you're going to get the role. And it's all about the hard work and the perseverance you have. So, and I'm here finally. As Elna said, you write things down and the power of the universe, and I look at where she's reached, and it's fabulous. I mean, I guess everyone here on this show, on your show, had a dream, and we're all here, so it's all possible.
Absolutely. But reels include करने हैं. जाते एक सवाल.
Yes.
Elnaz, we need
एल्नाज
reels
लिख
to
के
get
कहाँ
here.
रखना है मेरे को बता देना.
क्या क्या करना है?
हाँ,
सॉरी,
मुझे भी बता दे. लिख के कहाँ
लिख के
रखना
कहाँ
है
रखती
यार?
हो तुम?
लिख के सेफ में
लिख के
रखा है
नीचे.
घर में, वहां कोई नहीं जाएगा, किसी के पास पासवर्ड
सर
नहीं है.
वो अभी गोवा में लेट्स गो टू हाउस एंड सी क्या क्या लिखे.
Oh
Yeah,
God.
I know where she lives. I know
We'll go.
exactly where
चलो,
she
let's
lives.
go.
We are going to break this.
पंकज सर, एक साथ बताओ, इन तीनों में से सबसे बड़ा कॉमेडी शो कौन था? लेट्स लीव टोटो असाइड.
He'll say all.
कॉमेडी शो?
हाँ.
नहीं, ये तो आपस में ट्रेजेडी किंग है.
Oh God.
He's taken our case. He's done it again. He's done it again.
ट्रेजेडी किंग है. एनीवे, जाते यही सवाल को.
I think Sir is the biggest, not comedy
Yeah.
way, but he has his one-liners. He's so witty, and
His wit and sarcasm is on point.
how long he's
You
been
know,
working.
this is what happens with people who have that wit. You don't know how to give a repartee, and फिर पता चलता है, अरे यार तो मेरी बेइज्जती कर रहे थे या मुझे compliment कर रहे थे. I
Exactly.
love that. You know.
Yeah. And Sir makes you feel like that always, So I wonder, ये Sir मुझे compliment कर रहे हैं या कुछ sarcastically बोल रहे हैं?
नहीं, कोई compliment नहीं है, कोई compliment नहीं है.
Another person who really has a knack of doing it is Shahrukh Khan.
Oh,
वो कह देंगे,
very
you're like,
witty,
क्या
very
बोला यार?
Very good.
And
It makes you wonder.
you have to take lessons from them. उनका reel बना. Sir, आप एक reel करो अपना wit का. We'll all learn from there. एलनाज का तो नागिन डांस देख लिया मैंने.
Sir बनाने वाले थे. कल only you were telling me you're going to make something. He's going to make something very cool very soon.
चलो, looking forward to that. And बस जाते एक सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ. Now with OTT platforms, the kind of content coming, the kind of talent coming up, do you really feel it's happy days? I know we are waiting for the theaters also to open, but as content creators and as creative people, do you actually feel these are really happy days?
Definitely.
Yes, for sure.
Sure.
100%.
Look at the way our television had gone, and we were doing the same thing again and again and again and again, and it was so repetitive. So this is so amazing that since the OTTs have come in, there are new scriptwriters, there are new stories, there's new content, there are new performers, there are new actors who are getting chance. So I think it's amazing. I just hope and pray and keep my fingers crossed that OTT doesn't go for the numbers. They stick to what they're doing path-breaking content.
True.
So let's hope we are here on this road for a while. I think we will be.
Sure.
Because जो OTT पे बन रहा है और जो path-breaking shows बन रहे हैं वो भी लोग देख रहे हैं और पसंद कर रहे हैं, जैसे पाताल लोक है. I mean, some great stuff has happened in the last couple of years.
What were you saying, Adarsh?
Ma'am, I was saying I completely agree with what Sir is saying, that there's a lot more scope for work also now for us actors, for writers, directors. There's so much. There's like a wave of new directors and writers that have come in and making different kind of shows, different kind of content, which is amazing to view. And especially this last year during the pandemic, I feel like because we've all been at home, we've been consuming all that content, on TV at home. So we're seeing everything that's coming in, and even people who are probably going to the theaters are now actually at home consuming the same content on the same OTT platforms,
True,
which is
true.
so you're seeing different kinds of cinema in different platforms, different formats, whether it's long seasonal shows that you've been part of Sacred Games also, Elnaz, like seasonal shows, or whether it's mini series or just straight to OTT films. So it's giving a platform and giving us all opportunities to be part of different kinds of platforms and
True,
genres and films. So it's great. It's great. It's a damn good thing for the industry. And if I
And box office का सर दर्द गया.
exactly, and मौजूदा को reach और visibility भी बहुत ज्यादा है, तो अच्छी बात है ना हमारे लिए.
तो वैसे नहीं होना चाहिए, I feel just
Yeah.
only here it is that people look at numbers and are like, oh, how much should be open to, how much is it going to be? यार क्या फर्क पड़ता है, we as actors, we make films, we want people to see them and like them, and that's
Totally.
all that matters. A lot of people are also asking, hello Charlie, not coming to theaters, coming to Amazon Prime. Yeah, it's great. At least we're getting to launch our movie. At least we're getting out with it. We work so hard for it, right? Imagine there wouldn't be any OTT right now. Hello Charlie, we wouldn't be able to release, right?
Yeah.
And I think it's even better than theaters, but everybody has a different opinion. So
And I feel like more than viewers and box office and stuff, the most important thing is a film to be loved and remembered. The
Absolutely.
longevity that a film has. You remember so many films from the 60s, 70s, 80s, not because it made so much money. Some films didn't make that much money, but they're remembered because for the stories that they become cult classics. The kind of characters that were there on screen, the kind of actors that portrayed those characters. You want a film to be remembered and loved more than anything else. For me as an actor, it doesn't matter about the box office. Yes,
Which is
it only
total.
matters because you want more people to see the work. You want more people to connect with it. That's the only reason why I would
Absolutely.
care about a number or anything. It's just the amount of people that.
Come on, movies that were called flops like Sholay, Kagaz Ke Phool, even Andaz Apna Apna, now so-called cult classics.
Exactly.
So,
And Mera Naam Joker at the time.
Mera Naam Joker is the best example.
Yeah.
And today it's a textbook of cinema.
Exactly. Yeah.
लेकिन अभी
Anyways,
शुभ से बोलो,
Huh?
अभी शुभ से बोलो.
अरे शुभ बोल रहे हैं सर. आप इमेजिन, I saw the trailer. 2 मिनट का ट्रेलर देके मैं हंसे जा रही थी. तो आप सोचो ना. So we need something light in these trying times, and every day you hear about case. आप ये करो. So all we need is a Toto mask, maybe that will protect us all. Suggestion, sir.
Super suggestion.
Yeah, lovely.
Toto mask पहनो and Hello Charlie देखो. All the very best. The three of you and keep 4 of you and keep making us smile. And reels का जरा tutorial बना देना हमारे लिए.
Please watch a movie. अकेला देखो, अकेला मत देखो हमारी फिल्म.
Yes.
अकेला
please
नहीं
do.
देखेंगे. अकेला नहीं देखेंगे.
thank you. Bye.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much. Thank you so much for your time. Bye-bye.
If you've liked this interview, please like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram.